Alright, good day everybody. I am in Payson, Arizona. I rode up here this afternoon. What a beautiful ride, and we're doing a little exploring, so I thought what better way than just bring you guys along. You guys can enjoy it too. Oof, it's windy. But I've been riding around Phoenix so much, I was like, man, I need some new sights. My eyeballs need to look at something new. So it was only about an hour ride up here. It was actually really fun. I've ridden like halfway before and then I cut off and went another way, so came all the way through this time, and we're gonna check it out, see how it goes. Man, look at that view. So I used to live in Kansas City, and I moved to Phoenix in the summer of 2020, right in the middle of the pandemic. Kind of weird. But if I did not move out here, I don't think I ever would have bought a motorcycle. It's just like, it's perfect out here. There's no like riding season. You can ride all year round. There's so many places to go in the mountains. I know there's quite a few tracks in Arizona as well, which I'm kind of interested in. I'd like to go do a track day sometime. So if you have any recommendations, drop them in the comments, because I want to know. I want to kind of go through my options, but I need to do a little research as well, so sometime soon I'm sure I will do that, but for now we'll just stick to the public roads. It always helps to be a little extra cautious when you're on new roads that you haven't ever been on before. I mean, it always helps to be extra cautious no matter what, but if you're on a new road, just kind of always be extra alert and keeping those eyes ahead of you. That's my advice for the day. Always be alert. Dude. It is a little chilly up here as well, but it's kind of nice. Nice change of pace. Normally like 80 degrees already in Phoenix, so up here a little higher elevation too, so it feels good. It looks like the road goes off to nowhere. There we go. man. Ooh, it smells like a bonfire. I missed that. There's always a burn ban in Phoenix because it's so freaking hot and windy, especially right now. What is going on here? Also, a nice thing about getting out of Phoenix is there are a lot less people up here. Sometimes, especially on the weekends, but sometimes, man, there's so many people out, it's just like, I don't even want to deal with it. Bikes and motorcycles, it's just not fun. But this is great, man. Nobody out here. I was thinking it'd be a little busy. I saw a bunch of bikes in town, so I got to figure out where they're going because they probably know the good spots. But so far, this is pretty sweet. It's a nice change of scenery. Washington Park Highway. I don't know where we should go. I'm gonna go straight. We'll see. If the road gets too bad, we'll have to turn around, but ooh. Yep, not riding on the dirt. Alright, well, it looks like the only way to go is to turn around. Well, I could keep going straight, but I don't have off-road tires or even a great bike to take off-roading. Maybe one day when I have multiple bikes, that'd be pretty fun. But we're just gonna head back, so we'll get some views from the other side and then we'll just call it a day. Alright guys, well that will do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I've been trying to upload on a weekly basis. If there's anything you want to see on my channel, go ahead and leave a comment. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.